Today we are surfing in Arugam Bay, Sri Lanka.
And it's my first lesson ever. I think you had lessons before.
Yeah, I've surfed a little bit when I was younger, but it's been a long time and I'm not sure if I've ever stood up on a surfboard, honestly.
I think that should be the goal for today, like standing up on the surfboard for the first time for the both of us.
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Come along with us.
It's just before 9 a.m. and we're walking to our surf class. We are traveling about 10-15 minutes to a place called Elephant Rock. It's apparently better for beginner surfers. There are two main beaches in Arugam Bay that are perfect for beginner surfers, Elephant Rock and Peanut Farm. This morning we set off for Elephant Rock. We paid 7,000 rupees each for a surf lesson, which also included a return TukTuk ride. Not a bad deal. Once we hopped out of the TukTuk, surfboards in hand, we started a short walk to the beach. Djuro carried his board as we made our way through shallow water and soft sand, just soaking it all in. The morning light made everything feel extra peaceful. As we rounded the corner, Elephant Rock came into view. This huge, rugged rock sitting right at the edge of the beach. It already felt like the perfect place to learn, and honestly, it was just so beautiful. We got our rash tops on and got a quick intro on paddling and how to stand up on the board. It was literally a 5-minute crash course, and then boom, we are straight into the water. At first, we got totally wiped out several times, but slowly we started finding our balance, and even though we weren't catching perfect waves, we were definitely getting the hang of it. It was a bit crowded even this early on in the season, but because most people were with instructors, it all felt really well organised and safe. After loads of failed attempts and some not so graceful dismounts, we finally caught our first waves. For Djuro's first time surfing, this was a huge win, and honestly, the feeling was incredible. We were already hooked. After our 80-minute lesson, it was time to head back. It felt so good to see real progress, and we were super happy, even if we did get wiped out a bunch along the way. It was such a fun morning, and we're already keen to get back out there and try again. We did it!
We made it. That was really fun.
Really fun. We both stood up. You did too, which is crazy for your first time.
So we reached our goal for today. We both stood up. That was what we wanted to do today.
Yeah.
Nice.
Go us. Oh, so fun. Tough. Big waves sometimes.
Yeah,
It got quite big there.
But really fun. And you have to be so patient as well.
Very patient,
right?
Yeah. Waiting game.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Today we had a really chilled morning. We had breakfast at our hotel here, and yeah, we took our time. We just, after the breakfast, watched some videos on YouTube and really relaxed.
Yeah, so basically on our first day of surfing, I got quite a bad sunburn. Irish skin finally lost this Sri Lankan sun. But yeah, the sun is obviously lethal when you're surfing because the water just washes it right off and you don't even realise how long you've been in the water for. And I should have known this, but you just gotta make sure you have proper sun cream that will stay on in the water. So that's meant the last few days we've just really chilled. I've just tried to stay out of the sun, especially the very hot parts of the sun for most of the days, which has been a nice recharge. But yeah, right now we're hungry.
Very hungry.
So let's go get some food. So cute.
Hello, hi. Nice. Oh, nice.
So Arugam Bay has such a cool vibe. There's about 1 or 2 kilometers of a strip here that has loads of different lovely shops, restaurants and bars. And the buildings of a lot of these are so cool and give such a fun beach vibe because they're wooden with cool roofs and like loads of lights. It's really cool. And there's loads of different options for restaurants and everything, so you'll really find something for everyone. Plus also different price points. Some restaurants are a lot more traditional and cheaper, but then there's also the cool, vibey, kind of scrambled restaurants too. So really you'll find something for everyone here.
So Arugam Bay is one of the best places that we have visited so far in Sri Lanka. One thing is like the people and the atmosphere here. It's a completely different vibe. You have tourists, you have surfing spots, you have just a calm vibe, and it's amazing. That's the first place that we experienced so many gluten-free options. So we had a gluten-free pizza, but also other dishes. And that's very rare in Sri Lanka.
Yeah, we've had so many options. We've also noticed there's so many vegan options too. And like the restaurants are aware of gluten allergy, which isn't always the case everywhere. So there's just so many options and they're all really well rated.
We think like Arugam Bay could be the next big thing. Just the nightlife, the vibe of the bars, the restaurants, how they take care of it, the cleanliness.
Yeah, I can see it really just getting bigger and bigger. And there seems to be like a lot of development here, so maybe that's the way it's going.
What I like now is it's not as big as Bali, it's not that place. But still Arugam Bay, you can get the vibe, you can catch waves, you can have gluten-free food.
Perfect life. Speaking of gluten-free food, we're about to go and get some dinner. Let's go.